What the heck is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. If you guys tuned in yesterday, you would have seen that me and Ronnie were starting to work on the race truck today in preparation for the YouTube call out. So basically there's a whole bunch of stuff to do on the race truck. Basically just the engine is dropped in. Everything needs assembled. So let's get started. All right, Ronnie, so how far did we get on this thing here?
Oh, far enough.
Far enough?
Far enough for Dan to have to take over.
It's up to Dan now. The YouTube call out lies in Dan's hands.
It's up to him, dude.
So we got the entire fuel system, the injectors, the fuel rails, the pumps, everything fuel-wise is installed.
So are the turbos.
As you can see, 2 turbos. Okay, so all the electrical, all the coolant lines.
The only thing that needs is the power to the alternator.
Oil lines for the turbos out here. We put in the new driven diesel oil pan tapped for the drain lines off of the turbos in the front.
Well, yeah, it's pretty much all done, and everything lies in Dan's hands now.
Yeah, so basically it's just a couple little electrical things left, like a power wire to the alternator, and a few other electrical things needed buttoned up in the cab. But most of the cell. Oh yeah, we doing a new fuel cell, or what are we doing?
It's aluminum fuel cell.
Okay, so new aluminum fuel cell.
Because ours got our lift pumps, not this past year but the previous year, got so hot that they melted the plastic one.
Oh god, so aluminum fuel cell.
Yeah.
Okay, so new fuel cell. We don't have to change the lines or anything. All the lines are already back there.
Yeah, we just got to drill holes for it. And
right.
Mounts,
and just basic stuff, simple stuff. So guys, basically, the hardcore stuff, the bulk of the work, as you can see, is done. So we are making moves to try our best to get to the YouTube call out.
As in me and Corey did help a little bit. Dan,
it's looking pretty good. I mean, I don't think we should have any issues. Everything went together pretty seamlessly on that, but I mean, it was already, you guys already had it together. We were just reassembling it basically. Yeah. So just some electrical stuff to button up in the cab and finish out through the harness coming through, and then we should be good to go. But a little earlier, while we were working on this, Dan finished the Mustang and took it on its maiden drive. Here's a quick little shot of that rolling out.
Yeah,
okay.
So you got a blue Mustang right here, right? It's got an exhaust. This one.
And also, they started laying out all of the stuff for an engine build they are doing for a SEMA truck, which I will touch on that a little later. So stay tuned for a full video coming out with all of the goodies for this SEMA build, which is going to be super, super sick. What were you gonna say?
I don't remember, dude.
You don't remember?
Nope.
So we just got some fluids and some just basic stuff left to do.
Pretty much, man. Just got a lot done today, so.
Yeah, it was a good day.
Hopefully, by the end of next week, we'll have it wrapped up, running.
Alright guys, so I am back up here at Dan's tuning desk. You've seen the whole entire update on the race truck, so we are really trying to get that thing finished and have some proper testing done in preparation for the YouTube call out. October 20th, Maple Grove Speedway, or Raceway, whatever it is, Maple Grove Raceway. But let me know some feedback on what you guys think about that Powerstroke, and if you'd like to see it out there. Obviously, we're trying to do it. But if you guys made it this far, you guys are awesome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up. Stay tuned for what we have planned. I'm getting ready to head to the house. I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace!
Man, looking at me here really makes me want to pork it.
Dude, I would. I'd go get another CRV.
Hey, what are you doing?
Oh, you know, just...
You have a hoodie on?
You ever worked on a hot DPF?
It's like 80 degrees outside.
Yeah, well, you know, you ever been burnt by a DPF? Because they'll let you come under here and do it. The Cobra, like, didn't you ever watch Steve Irwin? He wrestled a few, like, this is the one that beat his ass. Hey, have you ever heard of a band called the Tony Danza Tap Dance Extravaganza?
Absolutely not, and I don't even know what the fuck you just said.
The Tony Danza Tap Dance Extravaganza. I'll send them to you, dude. Will you get that fucking thing off me?
Just act like it ain't here. Don't look at the camera.
Right. Yes, man, this makes you uncomfortable.